Understanding the phrase, heal the sick, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, heal the sick. This is a common expression in English, often used in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it in conversations and writing. Heal the sick is a phrase made up of two key words, heal and sick. To heal means to make someone healthy again after they have been ill. Sick refers to someone who is not in good health or is suffering from an illness. So, when put together, heal the sick means taking actions to restore health to those who are ill. This phrase is often used in medical and religious contexts. In medicine, it refers to doctors and healthcare professionals working to cure patients. In religious texts, like the Bible, heal the sick is a directive often associated with miracles or divine acts of healing. However, it's also used metaphorically in everyday language to express helping someone overcome difficulties, not just physical illnesses. Let's look at some examples. 1. Doctors and nurses work tirelessly to heal the sick in hospitals. 2. Many religious stories talk about saints and prophets who had the power to heal the sick. 3. The new community program aims to heal the sick parts of our society, focusing on social issues and injustices. You might also hear variations like healing the ill or curing the sick. These phrases carry the same meaning but might be used in slightly different contexts. Healing can be more broad, encompassing both physical and emotional healing, while curing is more specific to eliminating diseases. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, heal the sick. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you better understand and use this phrase in English. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations. Thanks for watching.